Hey everybody, what I'm using today is some of my sugar cookie dough. What we're going to do here is we're going to slice it up and then place it onto my baking tray. And I'm going to bake this for 11 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. Then I'm going to remove it and I'm going to let the cookies cool. So I'm using some homemade caramel. I have poured that onto some plastic wrap, let it cool, and then I rolled it out so that it's thin. Then I cut it into the shapes that I need, just slightly smaller than my cookies, place it on top of the cookies. I'm taking some milk chocolate and just getting that right over the top, and I am using tempered chocolate. If you don't have tempered chocolate, then you're going to want to take your cookies and put them in the fridge for about 5 minutes, which will set up the chocolate. Let's cut into it and then I'll show you the final product. And as we zoom in, you can see our final product. We have the sugar cookie, then the caramel, and then the milk chocolate on the top. One thing I'll mention is that the caramel could have been twice as thick, so I shouldn't have rolled it out as thin as I did in the video. If you're looking for the videos that are included in this video, you can check them out underneath the video in the description box. I'll put a direct link for a couple of my caramel videos and also for my sugar dough video. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can always check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. Even if you're not a member of YouTube, all of my videos that you see here on my YouTube channel are on my Facebook page. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.